Hello,
Hello?
hello. Can you hear me?
Hi. I can hear you. Yes. Hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Washim.
Washim, it's nice to meet you. My name is Sonia.
Nice to meet you, Sonia. Where are you
Thank you.
from?
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from, Washim?
Bangladesh.
Great. And how old are you?
I am 30 years old. You?
30. I'm 32. Very close.
32. You are
Yes.
older than me.
Yes. What do you do, Washim?
I am a teacher, English teacher here in Bangladesh.
That's great. Wonderful. And why do you why did you choose to be an English teacher?
Sorry?
Why did you want to be an English teacher? Why did you choose this?
Actually, as an English teacher,
Mm-hmm.
here in we speak Bangla. Most of the people
Mm-hmm.
speak Bangla. And English is very much important, and I
Mm-hmm.
teach English to students, so I need to prepare myself to teach English to my students. I can
Wonderful.
write I can write English. I
Uh-huh.
understand but uh, while talking to anyone, it becomes difficult for me to talk. That means I am not fluent enough. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm here in this platform of Cambly, and I
Uh-huh.
find the teacher in Cambly very much helpful and friendly.
That's great. That's really nice. Okay. So, how long have you been on Cambly? When did you start?
I have been on Cambly for almost 2 months. For 2 months, and
Yeah.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, and I'm somewhat better today than
Uh,
2 months ago. Okay,
that that's
and
really
I have
good.
channel. I have YouTube channel, and there I upload my videos, and my students become encouraged to speak English, and I have suggested them to use Cambly and to watch my video on YouTube.
That's
So Cambly is really very much helpful for me.
That's great. That's really good. So, do you also, when you teach English, do you also teach high school students, or is it just the children, preschool and primary school children?
Yes, actually, I teach students, and uh, they are from they are 12 years old, 12 to 25 years old. My students are okay,
Yeah, 12 to
and they
25.
are second. Sorry,
12 years old to 25 years old.
yes,
Wow, okay, yes, continue. Secondly, your
and
students.
actually, while talking to different tutors from different countries in the world,
Mhm.
I come in contact with them, and it's my pleasure that uh, as I talk to people from native English speakers, and of different culture, of different thought, it become helpful for me to increase my knowledge.
That's great. Okay, so what other hobbies do you have? Your YouTube channel is only about English, your YouTube channel, or do you have other hobbies for your YouTube channel? Other things to learn, to teach?
It's my pleasure. It's my hobby to learn English, teach English, YouTubing with teaching English, and I like traveling. I have never gone out of Bangladesh, but here in Bangladesh, I frequently I visit different places, and I take videos of interesting places and upload them on YouTube channel.
Hmm.
That is another channel, not the educative channel. Okay, that's
Okay,
it.
wonderful. So if you can choose any country to visit, the first country to visit, which one? Which one would you visit?
That means you are talking that if I have the chance to visit a country, which country I like, right?
Yes, any country in the world. Which country would you go to?
Oh yes, I like Canada most.
Canada.
Yes, I'd love to go Canada,
Mm-hmm.
Canada, Australia, New Zealand. These countries,
All the
I
English
like.
countries.
Yes, again, I would like to say you that about South Africa. I
Mm-hmm.
like South Africa also because there are many people in South Africa who were born or who are originally of India.
Mm-hmm.
Indian. You know,
Yes, that's
Bangladesh was a
true.
part of India. In the at the time of British rule in India, many people from India were taken to South Africa
That's
for
right.
cultivation or other things, and they are living there in India, South Africa.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
as many people are from India, I like South Africa also.
Yeah, we've got a very big South African Indian community because the South African Indian people have been here for generations. So they are South African now, right?
Yes, they are
So,
South Africa now. And
yeah.
you know, Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa.
Oh, he did. Okay. That's wonderful. I think I remember this, but this is long time ago. A long time ago. So what else do you know about
Sorry.
South Africa?
Hmm, I don't know a lot about South Africa, but I know there is a place named Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope.
Cape of Good Hope, yes.
Again, the capital of South Africa is Johannesburg. It is called the uh, capital of gold. There are many gold mines, the largest gold mine in Johannesburg. I
Yeah,
have read it from.
I don't know much about the gold mines, but yes, I know that we have, we are very rich with minerals like gold and also diamonds and precious stones. So you are right. You are definitely right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then the great leader of South Africa, Madiba. Madiba,
Yes.
his clan name Madiba, and his full name is Nelson Mandela. I know about him. And my all-time leaders are Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi from India,
Mm-hmm.
and Bongo Sheikh Mujibur Rahman from Bangladesh. I like these three leaders very much. I also like Abraham Lincoln, but I like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, because Nelson Mandela fought for the equal right of people, black and white.
Mm-hmm.
And after getting uh, his country liberal,
Mm-hmm. After he liberated his country, right?
yes,
Uh-huh.
and Mahatma Gandhi struggled uh, for that not sorry that is called mm, non-cooperation movement. No, that is অহিংস আন্দোলন বাংলাতে
Mm-hmm.
in Bangla we call it অহিংস আন্দোলন. That means uh, movement without any violence.
It means what? Can you repeat? What does it mean?
Movement without violence.
Movement without.
Violence.
Well, that's very nice. That's really great. It's a good word to remember. Okay,
Yes.
so I see, Washim, that we don't have any more time today. We only have about 20 seconds left.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you for your time, and I'd like to get your feedback about my English, please.
Well, your English is very good. Like you said, you want to be more fluent, so just continue with Cambly and you will become more fluent, okay? And you will speak more native. The teachers will help you with vocabulary.
Yes, yes.